Welcome to Is Lumi Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. You can find links to Lumi Wallet and related resources in the description below. Lumi Wallet is a versatile and user-friendly cryptocurrency wallet designed for both new and experienced crypto enthusiasts. It offers multi-currency support and advanced features while emphasizing security and privacy, making it an excellent option for anyone looking to manage their digital assets effectively. Lumi Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, ERC20 tokens, and many others, ensuring flexibility for users with diverse portfolios. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for beginners to navigate while still offering the advanced tools that seasoned investors expect. A key feature is its built-in exchange functionality, which allows users to swap cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet without the need for external platforms. When it comes to safety, Lumi Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you are in full control of your private keys and funds. Your recovery phrase is generated and stored locally on your device, ensuring your assets remain secure and private. Lumi also emphasizes user anonymity by not requiring account registration, keeping your personal information off their servers. Security measures such as PIN protection and biometric authentication are available to add additional layers of protection. One standout feature of Lumi Wallet is its compatibility across platforms. It is available as both a mobile app and a web wallet, providing seamless access whether you're on your phone or desktop. The web wallet is particularly useful for users who prefer managing their crypto on a larger screen while still enjoying the same security standards as the mobile version. Lumi Wallet is ideal for individuals looking for a secure, multifunctional wallet that prioritizes privacy. Its balance of ease of use and advanced features makes it suitable for both long-term holding and active trading. Whether you're exploring the crypto space or are a seasoned investor, Lumi Wallet provides the tools and security you need to manage your digital assets confidently. Explore the links in the description to learn more about Lumi Wallet and get started today.